In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, use this switcher at the top right corner. As you can see, Clipboard is on. To go back to your standard keyboard, click on this icon of an arrow at the top left corner. Now you need to copy or cut any text and paste it by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard, or by selecting Clipboard and clicking on it here. To pin any added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Click on the chosen one and tap on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete one of those sentences, use the same pen. Click on the chosen one or chosen ones and use this pin next to the pin. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!